मेरी पिछली वीडियो में मैंने आपको बताया था कि कैसे मुंबई पुलिस has summoned Kangana Ranaut and Rangoli next week, and an FIR has been filed against her, and some pretty serious charges have been slapped on both the sisters, and that includes sedition and disruption of communal harmony, trying to disrupt communal harmony, and these charges have grave consequences if they are proved. लेकिन कंगना being कंगना, she is least bothered and not perturbed at all. कुछ ही घंटों पहले उन्होंने उस न्यूज़ को टैग करते हुए ट्वीट किया है जिसमें उन्होंने लिखा है, ऑब्सेस्ड पेंगुइन सेना, पप्पू प्रो ऑफ महाराष्ट्र, बहुत याद आती है कंगना, कोई बात नहीं जल्द आ जाऊंगी. एंड दैट्स नॉट ऑल. ये तो उन्होंने अभी ट्वीट किया है, लेकिन कुछ टाइम पहले उन्होंने ऑलरेडी एक ट्वीट कर दिया था जिसमें उन्होंने ट्वीट नहीं किया था, इनफैक्ट एक फेसबुक पोस्ट डाली थी उन्होंने, विच वॉज अबाउट नवरात्रि, वेयर शी रोड, who all are fasting on Navratris. Pictures clicked from today's celebrations, and I am also fasting. Meanwhile, another FIR filed against me. Pappu Sena in Maharashtra seems to be obsessing over me. Don't miss me so much. I will be there soon. #Navratri. ये उन्होंने अपने हिमाचल के जो घर में वो अभी फ़िलहाल हैं वहाँ से नवरात्रि की सेलिब्रेशंस के साथ साथ उन्होंने ये भी लिख दिया. But at the same time, there was one more thing that happened. One lawyer apparently, he posted something in comment section about Kangna, and he actually gave her rape threats after this Facebook post, and later he got so scared that he went ahead and apologized for it and said कि today my Facebook ID got hacked at evening and some derogatory comments were posted. This is not my views regarding any women or any community. I am also very shocked and apologize for it. I request to all the people of kindly accept, sorry the language is all wrong English, तो उन्होंने लिखा है, I'm just reading out. I request to all the people of kindly accept my apology and forgive me whose sentiments got hurt. I'm really sorry for it. The lawyer subsequently deleted his Facebook account, ही उन्होंने delete कर दिया पूरा. I don't know who this lawyer is, but he is now saying that किसी ने उनका अकाउंट हैक कर दिया था, इसलिए उन्होंने डिलीट कर दिया पोस्ट ही और कमेंट भी और पूरा फेसबुक अकाउंट. बट द interesting part here is that these serious charges that have been posted against or slapped on Kangana Ranaut and her sister are based on the tweets and the comments and the interviews that have been posted, and so far we haven't seen such a heavy crackdown on any of the celebrities, because a lot of people on Twitter are saying that earlier also so many other stars have, when the CAA protests were going on in the country, had said so many things against it, and so many things are said against the establishment on a daily basis and against the Prime Minister on a daily basis. But इतना बड़ा चार्ज किसी पर अब तक लगा नहीं है. This is the first time that a star of this repute has been slapped such grave charges against her. अब देखना ही होगा कि whether these charges get proved and what happens when this case actually goes to the court, because the अब फ़िलहाल के लिए जो कोर्ट ने बोला है वो यही कहा है मुंबई पुलिस को कि आप इन्वेस्टिगेट करो एंड सी व्हाट कम्स आउट ऑफ इट. बट कंगना सीम्स कम्प्लीटली अनपर्टर्ब्ड बाय इट. उनके लॉयर ने भी कहा है कि वील फॉलो द लॉ, बट दे हैवंट डन एनीथिंग रॉन्ग एंड दे आर जस्ट म्योरली एक्सप्रेसिंग देमसेल्व्स. और रंगोली चांडेल का तो आपको पता है कि ट्विटर अकाउंट भी डिलीट कर दिया गया है काफ़ी दिनों से. सो नेट राइट नाउ कंगना इज़ इन द डॉक, एंड एज फार एज महाराष्ट्र पुलिस इज़ कंसर्न, दिस इज़ अनदर, or Maharashtra government is concerned rather, this is another big step that they've taken. And Mumbai police, once again it's Bandra police station that has been entrusted with the job of investigating Kangana Ranaut in this case. So देखना ही होगा कि Kangana Ranaut अब next week जब आती है तो क्या होता है. It will definitely become big news, and now of course the case is filed, FIR is filed और case कोर्ट में भी चला गया है, तो इसको investigate तो करना ही पड़ेगा. But what are your thoughts on this, and do you think that Kangana Ranaut is being backed by certain political parties, or is this a political witch hunt that is going on? जो भी आपके thoughts है प्लीज़ मुझे comment section में बताइए. And if you like my videos, needless to say, please subscribe, click on the bell icon, and thank you so much for watching. And sorry for all the noise that's going behind. I can't help it.